Hello guys, and today I'm going to be seeing if we can find any birds. It is the morning, and please subscribe and like the video. Looks like there is some birds. I can spot 5. How much can you spot? There's a fantail up there. And there's another bird up there. Let's look at the sky. Any birds? Nope. So let's look down. Any birds? Any birds? Check for birds. Check for birds. Come on, birdie, birdie, birdies. Check for birds. Birdie wordies. There's no birds in the trees right now. Oh, there's a fantail. Oh, it's blurry. See that right there? That little bird? There's birds on the compost. Little fantails. Oh, they're flying away. Some are coming. Oh. That's it for today, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. See you later in another video.